And good morning, everybody. Good morning, good morning. It is another beautiful day here in the Philippines. Another beautiful day. Well, it's early in the morning right now. It's maybe about 6 a.m. Um, after our live stream last night and divulging our plans that we're trying to head in early to catch a flight in case they end up continuing to lose our flights. We already lost one, so hoping we don't lose another. To get back home to the importance of our animals, our cattle there, our spring crop on our hay baling, um, I just can't afford to miss that. So after divulging all that to you last night on a live stream, I was just been like a live wire going, man, we can do this. We can do this. We can get a whole bunch of this work done even in a short time. It's all about motivation. It's about time crunch. So I tell you what, I usually don't let things like this stop me. Usually what it'll do is just when the pressure's on, I perform better, and that's just the God's honest truth. And so nevertheless, I'm just so pumped. And I found out that one, maybe another person is not working right now that's worked here on our job site before. Um, so I'm willing to, whatever it is, bygones be bygones, because I need some people here forming still, and we're going to get to pouring concrete. We are. That is going to get poured. It will be done. I'm not letting nothing stop me. Um, so nevertheless, that's what's happening on that. So we're going to see here in a little bit for another proposal. I'm going to offer for them to come in earlier instead of stay later. I'm going to offer that they be here now. You see how nice it is? 6 in the morning, and weather's like, and it's daylight like this. I'm going to offer to pay them additional and then work from 6 to 5 instead of 8 to 5. And I tell you what, that 2 extra hours a day can make a huge, huge difference. Do you agree? You agree with me on that? And gives them a chance to make more money before we leave, which will help them out. Um, so they're gonna get probably a little tighter. So we're gonna need to do things to make things better for them. I'll get Melinda and these girls here on team making and some good snacks that they can have during the day to keep their energy up and morality up and everything. Those ice candies, plenty of cold water, cold iced tea, not just boring water, cold iced tea, lemonade, whatever they want, and just make it the best environment that we can during this crunch time and make this happen. I think we can make it happen. So that's what I'm wanting to present. Of course, I'll have to wait for them to get here this morning before I can present that to them. And we'll see. We can see if I can rally up a team. I may not be successful, but I'm going to try. I'm going to try. So let's see if my enthusiasm, if my spirit can transcend on to these guys. Okie doke. Well, we'll see, and I'll let you guys know later. And Mel and I, we appreciate all of you that just popped in on that impromptu live stream last night. I was just sitting there with my mind full of thoughts, and I needed you guys. I needed you. You all helped me. Y'all were my therapy last night, and I appreciate it. Of course, your mind gets to racing with this stuff because it's a long journey back home. We're talking about like, what, 8,500 miles or whatever, back home, and long flights. Just a lot of travel, and you're dealing with multiple governments and policies they put in place and stuff. And you know, you got to change everything that you had set and you were comfortable, you know what your plans were, and you can just go on with your life. But then once you disrupt those plans and things are changing that are out of your control, you stress. You can't help from it. I mean, you can't, you know. And I'm I'm not a person to just lay down on things, but I'm a person, I really put my thoughts heavy into what do I need to do, and the wise choice and all. And I was just sitting there and I'm like, you know what? I told Melinda, I said, I'm doing a live stream right now. She said, what? And I said, yeah, because I needed you guys. There's so many people that are in this channel, subscribe with us and viewers with us, that live the same life as we do. And then there's so many of my wonderful homesteaders back in the US that are so dedicated and give us such great support all the time. You know, it's like a big extended family. And families are important, right? Families are important. And so I needed my extended family last night. I needed your input. I needed to see what your reactions are, positive, negative, what, and y'all all gave some really supportive comments and wonderful, and you guys never let me down. I appreciate that a lot. Thank you. Hey everybody, so I've been digging about an hour now. Oh man, that morning sun is already intense, and I've been digging out the pit here where the underground water storage tank's gonna be, because we're repurposing that dirt. We need it as backfill right here. So I have been very busy digging that, putting it in a 5-gallon bucket over there, toting them in over here and dropping them, trying to get all I can done before the guys get here. And hopefully we talk to them about working extended hours and maybe on Sunday. So trying to get this ready, and they can start watering it down and maybe packing it here in just a little bit, and prepare it for doing a pour of concrete over that. I see Marvin's maybe got about 6-7 more holes to drill right over there. He got most of them done yesterday. The grade's already pretty good up on the other end down here, so I'm not real far away from being able to have that filled up to grade. Oh my gosh, that hard wind feels good. Look at this breeze that just blew in. It might be loud in the microphone for you guys, I don't know. Man, that is a breath of relief right there. But I'm gonna boogie and try to get the cement poured across this back right here. I'm wishing today that cement's going down right here so it can start curing, so it can get hard enough that we'll soon be able to put a load on up above it for some form for a slab going on the second level right there. We will see. 30 more minutes before the guys get here. I'm gonna keep on digging. I've had them just kind of like on a push, push, push today. Every move. I want to see the slab poured today. And tomorrow, on to another thing. What about this? What spice is this? Huh? Do we put this in there also? Hmm?
Day, ang dyan ng sapiak at ako balik mo. Malan. Tama, halo. Wah, kita mau tapos ang saldo ko niya. We start sun and dig that. Aba ko sa Katrina. Hindi kita lang ko itaw sa dalam lab. Wag ko mo ta na English. Ay, pun, pinsulon. Tira sa chef. Ang bilang mo na sa ha. Pag dito ko sa may gatog ni Marvin. Sorry, guys. Good.
So we had a good team effort here today. The girls, which Angel's not here right now, they all worked on providing food and snacks. What are you cooking again now, right? Escaldo. Yeah. Joanne, you've been cooking all day, haven't you? Since this morning, huh? Wow. Well, I appreciate it.
Both of them, Angel.
Yeah, you and Angel. Yeah, she's not here, but I appreciate both of you. It's kind of been a fun day with everyone here helping. Kids have been here playing all day. They're over there climbing right now.